The Robosen line of Transformers robots started strong with different versions of an auto-transforming Optimus Prime that everyone loves. Then went inexpensive with a mundane G1 Bumblebee.
Hey Bumblebee,
How's it going?
transform.
But the latest bot is a stellar version of the Dinobot Grimlock. He's the one Transformer that can and does make Optimus look almost boring, because you can't beat an egocentric, flatulent, and ultimately pretty nice powerhouse that disguises himself as a Tyrannosaurus Rex. This Grimlock model has similar controls via voice and app as Optimus. Like the others in the line, it features the voice talent of the original 1980s Grimlock, in this case actor Greg Berger.
Optimus Prime, strong cleats. Like me, Grimlock.
Now, there are special highlights that include a flashlight in his mouth to simulate flaming breath, a gold Dinobot crown of leadership to wear, his weapons including a crimson energon-powered sword, and a gold commemorative coin. Robosen's Grimlock Flagship Edition will cost a whopping $1,699, unless you grab one for the pre-sale promotion of $1,500. For conversation starters among a certain set of fans, he is completely worth it.
I am Dino Mighty.
For PC Mag, I'm Eric Griffith.